Okay, my first question is to Sambit Patra tonight, but to welcome everyone, Ajay Kumar of the Congress, Rakesh Sinha of the RSS. By the way, the Congress party says there is a strong RSS link in it. RSS leaders are involved in it. We'll ask the Ajay Kumar to substantiate that. Vivek Tanka, former additional Solicitor General, has become a bit of a crusader in this case. And Anand Rai, whistleblower from Indore. In 15 minutes, we'll have whistleblower from Gwalior, Ashish Chaturvedi as well. Thank you very much and welcome. Sambit Patra, one more person died, Constable Ramakant Pandey. The death toll is 45. Who's killing these people?
Arnab, with all due respect, be it a single man's death or be it 25 men who are dead, we have to respect everyone, and that's the reason as to why. In fact, the investigation which was being done under the SIT, which was monitored by High Court, found that they were doing a fantastic job. Even the Supreme Court...
I want to ask you one more person's death. Please be specific to the question. The question I repeat tonight, don't be disrespectful to the person who has died. Sambit Patra, my question to you is, Ramakant Pandey, constable, in this case, has now died today. Yesterday told 44, now 45. One person is dying every day. I request the national spokesperson of the BJP to tell us who he thinks is killing these people. Who is killing all these people?
Mr.
One person a day is dying, Mr. Patra.
With all due regards to the constable who has died, the information that I have from the police in the sense which was being aired by the national televisions is that he has committed suicide.
Why all these suicides in this case?
No, do you have any other kind
Why
of
all these suicides in this case? Is there a suicide epidemic among those who have anything to do with the Vyapam scam? Why are all the people who have so much to reveal about the links in the scam committing suicide?
Question is, does anyone in this panel has any other thing to offer to suggest that he was murdered? If not, then why not believe in what the police said?
Because 45 people have died. Because 45 people have died. And because there's a person called Dr. Anand Rai, who is on Times Now and on Newshour this evening. By the way,
Mr.
one second, Sambit.
Today
by the way,
in the Indian... Okay, come.
By the way, don't be impatient. I've asked you thrice, why are people dying? Everybody across this whole country, Sambit Patra, is asking that one question of the BJP. Every day, one person, this is a murky scam, it's a whodunit, it's a murder mystery. You are the ones who have a lot to gain if there is a cover-up.
Not at all.
A cover-up will benefit the BJP, not the Congress.
Road accidents, suicides, natural deaths, heart attacks. This is the list. This is the list which was submitted to the court of law by the SIT. And the court was satisfied. Why is Mr. Goswami not satisfied? This is my question.
I want less drama, more answers tonight, Sambit Patra. There is a person called Anand Rai who's on the program.
I carry the list
you know what, Sambit? You know what, Sambit?
I carry the list. I carry the list which was submitted to the
Just a minute. You know, Anand Rai will now tell you it is dangerous to be in Madhya Pradesh today if you know anything about the Vyapam scam. Anand Rai blew the lid of the Vyapam scam. Anand, why don't you tell Sambit Patra about the threats that you and your family have faced since then? About the attempts and the threats to eliminate you. Tell him about the death threats that you have faced. Tell him about the warnings that you have given. Anand Rai, reveal everything tonight and then we'll get a response. Anand Rai, because the BJP says all people are dying. Normally, you know, people have heart attacks, people die. What's wrong? A few more people will die. Some commit suicide, some have heart attacks. 23-year-olds kill themselves and have heart attacks. You want us to believe that this is not the greatest form of rubbish that has ever been spoken on national television? I now want to get Anand Rai to respond to you. Anand Rai. Anand Rai, don't speak technically, please. Anand Rai. Anand Rai, please. Anand Rai is speaking now, please.
मैं संबित पात्रा से पूछना चाहूंगा कि यदि आपकी सरकार में हिम्मत है तो नम्रता डामोर की पीएम रिपोर्ट जो कि उज्जैन के 3 डॉक्टरों ने की, क्या आप सार्वजनिक कर सकते हैं? उसकी वेजाइना के अंदर सीमेन सैंपल पाए गए, उसके लोअर पे सीमेन सैंपल पाए गए, उसका फोरहेड पे सेमी सर्कुलर साइन पाए गए नेल्स के, उसको फोर्सफुल एस्फिक्सिया के साइन है पोस्टमार्टम में, और आपकी सरकार बोलती है उसने सुसाइड किया है। उसके परिजन 2012 में इंदौर हाई कोर्ट मूव किया फॉर सीबीआई इंक्वायरी। आपके मुख्यमंत्री बोलते हैं कि किसी ने आज तक कोई शिकायत नहीं की। हाई कोर्ट बोलता है 4 सप्ताह के अंदर स्टेटस रिपोर्ट फाइल करिए। एसपी ने कोई स्टेटस रिपोर्ट फाइल नहीं की। डॉक्टर साकल्ले, जबलपुर मेडिकल कॉलेज के डीन, 200 तरीके के पॉइजन के जानकार, आपकी सरकार बोलती है उन्होंने सुसाइड कर लिया, उनकी टंग प्रोट्रूडेड थी और 25 मिनट के अंदर जल गए, किसी ने चीख की आवाज नहीं सुनी। दीपक वर्मा, जिसकी लाश रिंग रोड इंदौर पर पाई गई, और कितनी मौतें में आपको तो अक्षय सिंह जो एक दिन पहले 12 बजे रात तक मेरे साथ था, अगले दिन 1 मिनट के अंदर मर जाता है।
सुनिए, आप बात सुनिए,
क्या चाहते हैं आप?
संबित पात्रा, you listen to him. Listen to him. Do not interrupt him. Do not heckle my panelist, Sambit. Do not heckle him. I request you, don't do this. It's a serious subject. Serious subject. People have died. I request you not to indulge in the usual tactics of not letting others speak, especially when there's a whistleblower on this channel. And now I'd like Ajay Kumar to come into this debate. By the way, Namrata Damor.
13 petitions have been filed in the court, and every time the court has said that they are satisfied. Not just the High Court, the Supreme Court of the country, the highest court of the country has said that we are satisfied. If you want, I'll read out. I will read out what the Supreme Court of this country has to say.
Adults
This is
passing
what
away
the Supreme Court had to
mysteriously.
say. We are satisfied that High Court has
very
taken all
young
care
adults
in
passing
monitoring the
away
investigation done by
mysteriously.
the
That is the
STF,
Bharatiya
by
Janata Party's
constituting an
acronym.
SIT headed by a retired
Dr.
High Court
Patra, let others
judge. In
speak,
that
yeah?
view of matter, we do not see any infirmity
now
in
that
the
you
High
have
Court.
finished your
This is
monologue,
what
Dr.
the Supreme
Patra.
Court had to say. There is
Dr.
no
Patra, have you finished
infirmity.
your monologue? Have you finished your monologue, Dr. Patra? Very young adults passing away mysteriously. Bharatiya Janata Party's acronyms. You have a habit of saying, you have a habit of giving acronyms. Very young adults passing away mysteriously. How does a chief minister who was education minister continue to remain a chief minister? How does people, no, and postmortem by your,
How do you suggest that he was murdered?
Mr. Dr. Patra, you will try to sabotage a debate by shouting.
Dr. Patra, do not
Arnab,
sabotage the news hour debate tonight.
RSS
One
style.
second. Stop
Bharatiya
the
Janata
debate.
Party,
No,
RSS
Ajay, stop. Ajay, everyone stop. 1 second. Ajay, stop. Everyone stop.
wrong.
And here's something that I want to say.
Everyone was murdered
Here's something that I'm
without
saying,
knowing the
please.
facts. It's absolutely
And what I'm saying is, Sambit, I'll request you to listen. The point is this. 44 people have died. 70-80% of the deaths have been proven to be unnatural deaths. Now, if anyone believes, for example, that there is a young girl out there who's been throttled, asphyxiated to death, that is a normal death, I don't think anyone in this world is going to believe it. This tonight, therefore, is a very, very serious issue. I request everyone, and especially Dr. Sambit Patra, to deal with this subject with the seriousness it deserves and not reduce this. Answer the question. Do not reduce this to I will speak over everybody else. The I will speak over everybody else logic does not apply tonight, Sambit. The I will speak over everybody else logic does not apply tonight, Sambit Patra. Tonight I want to know. And the more you speak over everybody else, you're showing disrespect to the people who have been killed in this case. And say what you will, I say this again tonight. These people have been killed.
No, but how?
45 people have been killed.
Absolutely wrong.
These are unnatural deaths, and 1 minute, Sambit.
Nothing has established that
Mr.
people are
Patra,
killed, and you say that people are killed.
Mr. Patra, I want to. Mr. Patra, it's a very bad habit to speak over others. Mr. Patra, it is a very bad habit to speak over others all the time. Please.
Allow me time.
Mr. Patra, it's a very bad habit to speak over others all the time. I'm saying this to you again. This is not the form of television debate. This is not proper. Everybody is getting time. You are one of the few people, 2 people who have spoken so far in the debate. Attempts to heckle and speak over everybody else is not debating.
I'll wait. Let's see.
It's not debating.
Arnab.
1 second, please. It's a serious issue.
Arnab.
In the case of Namrata Damor, the body is found on the railway tracks in Ujjain in January 2012. The person who was questioned in connection with her death is also wanted by the Gwalior police in relation to rigging of the 2009 pre-medical tests. It is proven now that this young girl was throttled to death. Am I right, Anand? She was asphyxiated.
Yes,
किसी
right.
ने उनका गला घोट के उनको मार डाला. It is the
ये
उनकी
PM
हत्या
report
हुई
में
है.
लिखा है, PM
उनकी
report में
हत्या
लिखा
हुई
है.
है. ये मर्डर है.
Yeah, it is written in the PM report. It is written in the PM report.
तो मैं ये जानना चाहता हूं आज राकेश सिन्हा जी जो आरएसएस के से संबंध रखते हैं. You tell me, Rakesh Sinha, forget the politics. A young girl, somebody holds her neck, asphyxiates her and kills her. It is written in the post-mortem report. Tell me, Rakesh Sinha, politics is so important to you now that you will try to cover this up. I'm asking you, Rakesh Sinha, कितना cover up करेंगे आप? कितने राजनीतिक कारणों के कारण आप कितने लोगों को इंटिमिडेट करेंगे, कितने लोगों को डराएंगे, कितने लोगों को धमकाएंगे, कितने लोगों को आप कहेंगे उन्होंने सुसाइड किया? Because you can't cover it up, Rakesh Sinha. And one more point, please. Salman Khan gets bail in 4 hours in this country. There are 1,880 people who are cooling their heels in jails. And you know why they are not being let out, Rakesh Sinha? They are not being let out क्योंकि आपको डर है कि ये लोग बाहर आके किसी का नाम ना ले ले, किसी पॉलिटिशियन को एक्सपोज ना कर दे. इसलिए उनको आपने सबको कटघरे में डाल के आपने जेल में बंद करके रखा है. Young people are dying outside. People are being put in jail. The most cruel form of intimidation is happening, Rakesh Sinha. Young children are dying. Young boys and girls are being killed. How can you continue to defend this and say nothing has happened? Nobody is responsible. The media is bad.
No, who is defending?
Well, you are. You are. Mr. Sinha, you are.
Who
the
is
RSS
defending?
is.
No.
Tell me one
Nobody is
statement from the RSS.
No, nobody is defending.
One statement from the
RSS is not
RSS.
defending such thing.
Tell me, give me one statement from the RSS.
Stands for corruption. RSS stands for corruption-free administration, corruption-free politics.
Don't give me your theory. Tell me the reality, please.
Which is moralizing politics. Right from 1925 since till today, RSS is the only organization in the country which stands for moralizing politics.
No. Then why didn't you raise on all major issues, Rakesh ji? Why aren't you speaking? Why is anybody from the RSS not spoken on Vyapam? Why hasn't anybody from RSS spoken on Vyapam? Mr. Sinha, you don't please do the
Ajay Kumar,
you will speak on every
Why should RSS not speak on each and every issue of governance? RSS is a socio-cultural organization. It has its own agenda. Whenever there is a charge of, whenever there is a serious corruption charges, RSS led the movement. In 1974, who led the movement against Congress? In 1989, against Bofors, it is the RSS Swayamsevak who led the movement. During the Anna movement, it is the RSS Swayamsevak who were at the forefront of the movement. What Ajay Kumar is speaking? In 1974, it was the RSS which led the movement against Indira Gandhi.
Please don't.
And why not Congress is speaking against the NHRM scam in
Rakesh Sinha, the date today, for your kind information, we are not living. If the RSS is living in 1974, it is your problem. If the RSS is caught in a time warp, it is your problem. If the RSS is stuck in the 19th century, it is your problem. Today, the date is 7th of July, 2015. Talk about today. Don't tell me what happened 41 years back. Today, has there been one statement from the RSS? I want to know. I'm asking you tonight, Rakesh Sinha. Rakesh Sinha, I have a question for you. There is a very senior leader of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. There is a, for example,
we act on the macro issue, not on the micro issue. All micro issue, RSS will not intervene.
Oh, this is a micro issue. One second. Vivek Tanka.
On Vyapam, we just say, on Vyapam,
Have you ever spoken?
there should be investigation at the highest level. All the investigations should lead to the truth.
Okay, so can I tell you, Vivek?
Have you spoken?
Rakesh, one second. Well, just a minute. 1 second, Ajay. It's very easily answered. It's very easily answered. There is no investigation. There has been a delay. There is no truth. 45 scam-related deaths have happened. Suspicious deaths are happening every day. Journalists, doctors, policemen, everybody is dying. Whistleblowers are being given death threats. Families are crying out loud. The chief minister's only job has been to delay the investigation. Even the STF officials are themselves at the receiving end of threats. And the person who is involved in this whole case is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, because he was the medical education minister all this time. And by the way, Rakesh Sinha, आप कैसे कह सकते हैं this is a micro issue? You are saying it's a micro issue, which means it's a small issue. You say it's a micro issue. Your law minister says it's a silly issue.
What I say...
Please be careful of what you're saying. Vivek Tanka is joining the debate, and I'd like to also welcome... I'd like to welcome Ashish Chaturvedi, whistleblower from Gwalior, please. Sir, please apologize for calling it a micro issue.
RSS desires, RSS acts for the corruption-free administration and corruption-free politics.
Really? And what kind of administration? What kind of administration does Shivraj Singh Chauhan run?
Just go through the history of modern India.
What kind of administration does Shivraj Singh Chauhan run?
Who led the movement against the corruption in this country?
Sir, don't give me a lecture here. I'm going to Vivek Tanka. My next question is to Ashish Chaturvedi. Ashish Chaturvedi, please.
RSS is a social cultural. RSS is a social cultural organization.
Sir, did I ask you for a definition of the RSS? Please stick to the subject, please. I will not give you a long rope on the subject. I'm not asking you. Can I please speak to the whistleblower, please?
There should be investigation on HRS scam. There are always two sides of the coin. You always see the one side of the coin.
Mr. Sinha, I see one side of the coin, and that side is the truth. And on the other side of the coin, Mr. Rakesh Sinha, I see big words, big lectures, and a massive cover-up. You also know it. I also know it. For example, let me ask you one question. One question. I have one question. There are one second. My question is, there's a person called Suresh Soni. Sun lijiye meri baat. My question is to Sambit Patra. Listen to my question. Sambit Patra and Rakesh Sinha.
Yes. Answer. Ask me the question.
Has Suresh Soni of the RSS made a single comment on the issue?
Now, can I answer? Because he wanted me to answer in turn.
There's no need to waste time in this. Come to the point. Answer the question.
The High Court says, to your question, the argument about the involvement of someone from Chief Minister's official residence will be of no avail to criminal cases arising out of Vyapam examination scam. We have already dealt with these aspects quite elaborately in the earlier part of the judgment. Suffice it to observe that apprehensions expressed by the petitioner are based on miscommunication and misunderstanding.
No waste time. What was my question?
Your question, Mr. Goswami, is based on miscommunication.
What was the question?
Understanding.
What was the question?
Similar to Mr. Digvijay Singh.
What was my question?
You know your question, Mr.
No,
Goswami.
I'm reconfirming because you forgot
I gave you the answer.
Yeah, because you forgot it. Anyway, I'd now like to get Ashish Chaturvedi into the debate. He's a whistleblower from Gwalior. Ashish Chaturvedi ji, नमस्कार. आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? मैं अर्नब गोस्वामी बोल रहा हूँ. Can you hear me, Mr. Chaturvedi?
नमस्ते सर.
आप कह रहे हैं कि आप पे डेथ थ्रेट है?
बिल्कुल. मैं जब से व्यापम घोटाले का खुलासा मेरे द्वारा किया गया, डीमेट घोटाले का खुलासा भी लगातार किया जा रहा है, तो कई सारे बड़े नाम लगातार सामने लाए जा रहे हैं, जिसमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी की से जुड़े भी कई सारे नाम हैं, जो लोग लगातार मुझे जान से मारने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं. कई सारी वारदातें मेरे साथ कर चुके हैं और निश्चित तौर पर आगे मेरी हत्या कराने की योजना.
किस तरह की वारदातें जरा बताएं, क्योंकि इधर हम जब भी बात करते हैं इसको लेकर, and I'm just translating this in English, the whistleblower, scam whistleblower Ashish Chaturvedi telling us on the news hour right now that since he's exposed the scam, number of times there have been threats against him. Two whistleblowers on the debate tonight, Anand Rai and Ashish Chaturvedi, joining us from Indore and Gwalior, and the BJP is also live tonight. We would like to know on behalf of our viewers from both these whistleblowers about the threats they are facing. Ashish Chaturvedi ji, आप जरा विस्तृत तौर से बताइए, आपको किस तरह के थ्रेट आते हैं, किससे आते हैं, और आपको क्यों लगता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी या फिर मुख्यमंत्री के किसी का कोई रिलेशन है इसके साथ? जरा ये क्या आप बस ऐसे सोच रहे हैं कि आपका कोई गेस है कि आपको कोई प्रूफ है? आपके पास कोई प्रूफ है?
मैं प्रमाण के प्रूफ के साथ आपको इस बात को कह सकता हूं.
बताइए.
लगातार जिस प्रकार से मेरे साथ वारदातें हो रही हैं, व्यापम घोटाले का जब खुलासा मेरे द्वारा किया गया है, जब कोई नई जानकारी मेरे द्वारा जांच एजेंसियों को दी गई है, या मुख्यमंत्री एवं शिवराज सिंह चौहान से जुड़े करीबी लोगों के नाम मेरे द्वारा उजागर किए गए, चाहे वे डॉक्टर गुलाब सिंह किरार हों या उनके जुड़े अन्य कोई लोग हों, या मुख्यमंत्री से जुड़े प्रमाण मेरे द्वारा जब भी जांच एजेंसियों को दिए जाते हैं, शिकायत की जाती है, तब तब लगातार मेरे साथ जान से मारने की वारदातें की जाती हैं, तब तक लगातार मुझे धमकियां दी जाती हैं।
मतलब फोन आता है, वारदात कह रहे हैं आप, मतलब फोन आता है, कोई कहता है आपको, कोई कोशिश करता है, कोई पास आके आपको धमकाता है? आप जरा विस्तृत रूप से बताइए, प्लीज टेल मी इन डिटेल।
बिल्कुल मेरे साथ सुरक्षा कर्मी की उपस्थिति में कई बार जान से मारने की वारदातें हो चुकी। इनके तैनात किए गए पुलिस के सरकारी सुरक्षा कर्मी ही खुद मुझे जान से मारने की धमकी देते हैं।
You are saying that the security officials say that they will kill you? क्या कहते हैं आपसे? 1 minute please. संबित पात्रा, listen to him, don't be impatient. Yes please, कहिए क्या कहते हैं आपको?
I am listening to him.
क्या कहते हैं आशीष?
मैं व्यापम घोटाले से जुड़े राजों को सामने लाना बंद कर दूं। व्यापम घोटाले से जिस प्रकार से मैं नए नाम सामने ला रहा हूं, अगर मैं इस प्रकार से करूंगा तो निश्चित तौर पर मेरी हत्या कर दी जाएगी। मेरे सुरक्षा गार्ड खुद मुझे गोली मारने की धमकी देते हैं कि तेरी मौत किसी दिन किसी पुलिस वाले की गोली से होगी।
ऐसे बोला आपको? ऐसे बोला आपको?
मुझे बताया कि तू किसी दिन किसी पुलिस वाले की गोली से मरेगा।
आपके खुद के सुरक्षा कर्मियों ने जिनको आपको सुरक्षा देने का काम है, सिक्योरिटी मैन हुआ सपोज टू प्रोटेक्ट यू, आर सेइंग दिस टू यू, आपके रक्षक भक्षक बन गए?
बिल्कुल रक्षक भक्षक बन गए। उनकी उपस्थिति में मेरे साथ मारपीट और जान से मारने की घटनाएं होती हैं। वे कहते हैं कि हमारा काम
ये हमारे पास इधर
काम तुम्हारे साथ होने वाले
हमारे पास इधर संबित पात्रा है जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्ता है। वो कहते हैं सब झूठ है, सब झूठ है, सब बनी बनाई बातें, सब ऐसे ही कह रहे हैं।
I have not even interacted with him, Arnav. Don't misquote me. I would like to ask the honorable guest.
संबित is saying something to you. आशीष चतुर्वेदी saying something to you. आशीष चतुर्वेदी, कहिए आप संबित पात्रा को क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
And I would request you. He is now on one of the most important channels of the country. He can produce the proof to you that he has.
One second, please. Proof की बात आप हमेशा मत कीजिए संबित पात्रा। कोई listen to me, संबित पात्रा. You see आनंद राय, मुझे तो ये अजीब लग रहा है इधर कि
I would request Mr. Anand with the whistleblower, please submit the papers that you have against Shivraj Singh Chauhan or
मैं कई बार जांच एजेंसियों को पुलिस अधिकारियों के संबंध में बता चुका हूं।
The whole world will know it today.
Listen to him, he's saying something to you.
Arnav, if he had any evidence by now, your breaking news.
मैं कई बार बता चुका हूं, कई बार इस संबंध में बता चुका हूं।
Don't worry about my breaking news. Answer the question, Sambit Patra. Quiet. 1 second, please, Sambit Patra. Quiet. 1 second. First of all, I want to tell you, Ashish ji, 1 minute. 2 whistle blower हैं टीवी पर आज, और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्ता है, कांग्रेस के राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्ता भी इस प्रोग्राम पर है, और फॉर्मर एडिशनल सॉलिसिटर जनरल विवेक तंका भी है, राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ के राकेश सिन्हा भी है। So we have all sides of the spectrum tonight. I just want to say one thing. संबित पात्रा says produce the proof. यानी कि आनंद राय और आशीष चतुर्वेदी जी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रवक्ता, आपको कह रहे हैं कि हमेशा अपने पास एक वीडियो कैमरा, टेप रिकॉर्डर लेके चलिए, और कोई भी आपको कहे कि कोई
सर 1 मिनट में आपको रोकना, सर 1 मिनट में आपको रोकना चाहूंगा, सर 1 मिनट में आपको रोकना चाहूंगा, सर मैं 1 मिनट आपको बताना चाहूंगा, वीडियो कैमरे की भी आवश्यकता नहीं है। इनके सरकारी सुरक्षा कर्मी ने थाने में पुलिस अधिकारियों को लिख कर दिया हुआ है। सर वीडियो कैमरे की भी आवश्यकता नहीं है, प्रमाण मैं आपको यहीं दे सकता हूं, प्रमाण मैं आपको अभी दे सकता हूं।
दीजिए।
मैं वही बता रहा हूं, आप पता कर लें। आपके पुलिस अधिकारियों को मेरे सुरक्षा गार्ड ने खुद लिखित में बताया है कि आपकी भाजपा पार्टी से जुड़े हरि सिंह यादव, जो कि पूर्व में डीआईजी रहे हैं, उन्होंने मुझे मारने, मेरे टुकड़े कराने की साजिश रची है। ये मैंने नहीं, मेरे सुरक्षा गार्ड ने पुलिस को बताया है।
Arnav, we should not malign any person on an unfounded basis. I mean, I'm sorry, I sympathize with the whistleblower, but let us not malign people that people are planning to cut him into pieces. I mean, this is not good.
हरि सिंह यादव आपकी गवर्नमेंट के एक्स IPS अधिकारी हैं और भाजपा के मेंबर हैं, भाजपा के मेंबर हैं।
आशीष जी, आपका कोई बात
भाजपा के मेंबर हैं।
आप हिंदुस्तान के
अब तक 14 से संबित जी अब तक 14 से ज्यादा वारदातें मेरे साथ हो चुकी हैं। संबित जी,
अपील की क्या?
संबित जी, मैंने हाई कोर्ट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट को बताया हुआ है गवाही से पहले, मेरे साथ अब तक 14 से ज्यादा वारदातें हो चुकी। सुरक्षा कर्मी की उपस्थिति में 6 से ज्यादा वारदातें हो चुकी।
विश्वास नहीं कर रहे आपसे आनंद राय?
नहीं, मैं आपकी बात समझता हूं। मैं आपकी बात समझता हूं। मैं आपसे दरख्वास्त करूंगा, आप आज हिंदुस्तान के एक बड़े चैनल में हैं, सभी कोर्ट देख रही है आपको, आप हाई कोर्ट में इस बात को रखिए। ये पूरा जो प्रक्रिया चल रहा है ये हाई कोर्ट के तत्वावधान में चल रहा है, कोई आपका बाल बांका नहीं कर सकता है।
आनंद राय
प्रॉपर्ली सर,
आनंद राय,
संबित जी, अब तक मेरी जान लेने की 14 कोशिशें हो चुकी हैं, अब तक मैं बच गया ये ऊपर वाले की वजह से, आपकी सरकार और आपकी सुरक्षा की वजह से नहीं।
Well spoken, Ashish Chaturvedi. Anand Rai, the first point is this. 1 minute. The first point is this. What a scam this is. And I'm just translating this for the viewers. On the right hand side of your screen, there is Ashish Chaturvedi. Now, Ashish Chaturvedi says there have been 14 attempts to his life, Anand Rai. 14 times. There has been an attempt to kill him.
Yes.
Sambit Patra says, where's the proof? He says an ex-IPS official and BJP member has threatened to cut him to pieces. Sambit Patra says, where is the proof? In other words, Sambit Patra insinuates that everybody else, all the witnesses who blew the lid of the scam, all the people, what about maligning? What about the death threats these people are facing, Sambit Patra? What about the intimidation these people are facing? Are you saying that the whistleblowers are lying? Are the whistleblowers lying, Sambit Patra? Anand Rai to Sambit Patra tonight. Constantly Sambit Patra is talking about proof. Anand Rai is one of the first to blow the lids of the scam. He can equally ask you tonight, Sambit Patra, prove to me that I am a liar. What if Anand Rai आपको अगर आज कहे संबित पात्रा या आशीष चतुर्वेदी आपको कहे, आप राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्ता हो सकते हैं बीजेपी के, मगर एक मिनट आनंद राय, अगर आनंद राय और आशीष चतुर्वेदी आपको कहे कि प्रूफ कीजिए कि हम झूठ बोल रहे हैं, तो आप कैसे प्रूफ करेंगे संबित पात्रा? इसके बारे में भी सोचिए। आनंद राय,
इस बात के
आनंद राय,
by quoting the Supreme Court and High Court.
These are whistleblowers. They risk their lives. Anand Rai,
I have the document of truth in my hand.
Please don't keep repeating. I'll come to that also. Please, I'll come to that.
संबित पात्रा जी, आप डॉक्यूमेंट देखना चाहे तो मैं डॉक्यूमेंट ए भी दिखा सकता हूँ कि आपकी सरकार जांच के नाम पर कैसे घोटाला करती है। आप देखना चाहे तो मैं अभी भी दिखा सकता हूँ आपको।
दिखाइए।
1 सेकंड आप रुकिए, मैं आपको अभी 1 सेकंड आप रुकिए।
दिखाइए। आज मैं चाहता हूँ इस प्रोग्राम पर दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी हो जाए। इस पे ये डॉक्यूमेंट दिखा रहे हैं हाई कोर्ट के, आप दिखाइए।
आप जरा देखिए, ये फोटो है इम्पर्सोनेटर का।
ओके, लेट्स टेक इट फुल फ्रेम।
इम्पर्सोनेटर का फोटो है, इम्पर्सोनेटर का
जी।
दूसरा फोटोग्राफ मैं आपको दिखाता हूं,
देखिए।
एग्जाम देने वाले अभ्यर्थी का फोटोग्राफ है जिसने परीक्षा दी पीएमटी की
जी। 2 अलग-अलग व्यक्ति।
और आपको इनकी मध्य प्रदेश सरकार की लेबोरेटरी की रिपोर्ट दिखाता हूं। राज्य के फॉरेंसिक साइंस प्रयोगशाला की लेबोरेटरी की रिपोर्ट है जिसमें 2 वरिष्ठ वैज्ञानिकों ने ओपिनियन दिया है कि इन दोनों फोटोग्राफ में कह पाना संभव नहीं है, दोनों एक ही व्यक्ति के हैं, अलग अलग हैं। और जो 5वीं क्लास का बच्चा भी इनको देखकर बता सकता है कि दोनों अलग अलग हैं। ऐसा मैं नहीं कह रहा हूं, इनके ही विभाग के एक सीनियर अधिकारी ने अपने लेटर में लिखा कि इन दोनों फोटोग्राफ को देखकर 5वीं क्लास का बच्चा भी बता सकता है दोनों फोटोग्राफ अलग अलग हैं। और इन फोटोग्राफ को इस तरीके से बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट देने के लिए फर्जी छात्रों से 10-10 से 15-15 लाख रुपए की डीलिंग इनके सरकारी कर्मचारियों ने की गई। इसकी जानकारी मध्य प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री शिवराज सिंह चौहान को थी।
देखिए आशीष जी, सम्मान के साथ कहना चाहूंगा, ये सारी विषय हाईकोर्ट के सामने गए थे, हाईकोर्ट ने इसे खारिज किया कि नहीं, तो मैं
आपने 2 मिनट मैं आपको बता दूं, आपने हाईकोर्ट को ये नहीं बताया कि आपकी राज्य सरकार ने जांच के नाम पर भ्रष्टाचार किया। आपने हाईकोर्ट को ये नहीं बताया कि आपकी सरकार इस भ्रष्टाचार में शामिल है। आपने हाईकोर्ट को ये नहीं बताया कि मुख्यमंत्री की नाक के नीचे भ्रष्टाचार होता रहा।
All this was said to the High Court by the petitioner.
संबित पात्रा, इलेक्शन से पहले
दूसरी बात,
चतुर्वेदी जी और संबित पात्रा जी, चतुर्वेदी and Sambit Patra, question tonight coming from me this evening, and my question tonight is this. My question is this, please. Before the elections, the BJP said, ना खाएंगे क्या खाने देंगे, ना खाएंगे ना खाने देंगे। और आज जो विसल ब्लोअर्स टीवी पर आते हैं उनको कहा जाता है सिलेक्टिव है। यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट व्हाट सिलेक्टिव? You want to call everyone else except the BJP spokespersons are liars, Sambit. Do not interrupt. It's a bad habit.
That is the reason as to why the High Court and Supreme Court are satisfied with the investigation. अगर खाया होता और खाने
वो
दिया
भी मैं
होता,
coming to
the
that
High
also.
Court and Supreme Court would have reprimanded us.
Okay, can I
And
ask
let me
you-
remind the Congress
आप ये बताइए
representative
सागर FSL की
this
रिपोर्ट क्या
March,
कहती है?
एक सेकंड,
आप बताइए सागर FSL की रिपोर्ट क्या कहती है? बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट क्या? बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट दी,
2015 Digvijay
Benefit
Singh
of
was
doubt दिया आपने।
reprimanded by the Jabalpur High Court because Mr. Digvijay Singh had
Sambit,
produced
don't
a
go on like a broken
fabricated
record. Please wait a while,
exemption.
catch a
And
breath,
this is
drink a
what-
glass of water.
This is what the Jabalpur
Wait
High
a
Court has
while,
to say
catch
about
a
Digvijay
breath,
Singh.
drink
On
a
the
glass of
basis
water.
Of some flimsy
Anand Rai, Anand Rai, now Sambit, now please, you know, it's a bad habit. I told you, Sambit, it's a bad habit to keep speaking over everyone else. The question is it a lie that whistleblower called Paras Saklecha, despite submitting 240 pages worth of documents pertaining to well-established scams to the STF, and it was submitted on the 12th of June at 4 o'clock in the year 2015. He says the ongoing probe is selective and misses several crucial aspects to the scam. A total of 46.3 lakh people, including 73,480 who appeared for the pre-medical test, and 45.6 lakh candidates in recruitment exams held under the last 3 years are under the scanner. I say tonight, with all sincerity, this is Ajay Kumar. I bring you into the debate. This is the biggest scam in independent India, Ajay Kumar. The cover-up will not do. Calling the whistleblowers' names will not do. Ajay Kumar.
Arnab, the whole issue is that Mr. Sambit Patra submits post-mortem report of a police which is filing their own report, which is under the Chief Minister. Investigation is compromised. The Chief Minister was the Medical Education Minister for 3 years. He knew the scam at 2009, but it happens in 2010, 11, 12, 13. 75 lakh people's future they have played with, and Chief Minister's own PA, Prem Chand Prasad, he gets bail. Lakshmikant Sharma, the Health Minister, is arrested. The same Chief Minister is overlooking the police, and Mr. Patra submits post-mortem reports submitted by an STF who are themselves scared or compromised, and gives themselves a certificate. And the biggest scam is, if you pull out Namrata's post-mortem report.
STF is compromised.
One second, let me finish, Sambit Patra. Pull out Namrata's post-mortem report, Dr. Patra. As a doctor, have some shame. Have some shame, Dr. Patra, as a physician.
And the High Court,
Dr. Patra, as a doctor, have some shame. If it's a post-mortem report, why don't you produce the post-mortem report of Namrata?
Utmost satisfaction for
Anand Rai, can you, Anand Rai, Anand Rai, ye Rajneeti, let's keep the politics aside. Anand Rai, Sambit, listen to me. Anand Rai will now speak. Sambit Patra will not interrupt. And Anand Rai, I want you to tell, don't worry, just give your point of view. I'll tell you, there may be an attempt 30 seconds into your comments by Sambit Patra to speak over you. आप बोलने के तौर पर कभी आप Sambit Patra को अगर लगे कि आप जो कह रहे हैं उनके लिए कठिन बात है तो आपके ऊपर बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे, मगर आपको मैं कह रहा हूं आप बोलते रहिए. आनंद राय आज जरा खुलकर कहें, सारे देश के लोग देख रहे हैं, किस तरह का नेक्सस है बिटवीन पॉलिटिशियंस, ब्यूरोक्रेट्स एंड जुडिशरी. Politicians, bureaucrats and judiciary. Yeah, please go ahead.
No, see, and judiciary is absolutely
सुधीर सिंह भदौरिया की गिरफ्तारी क्यों नहीं की गई आज तक मुझे बताएं संबित पात्रा. प्री पीजी 2011 में उनके ऊपर एफआईआर दर्ज है, 8 महीना हो गया एफआईआर दर्ज किए, आज तक आपने उस आदमी को गिरफ्तार क्यों नहीं किया? वो आदमी गवर्नमेंट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज का डायरेक्टर बना हुआ है. उसके कार्यकाल में पीएमटी 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011 के 333 बच्चों के एडमिशन कैंसिल हुए. ये पाया गया कि उन्होंने नकल की. उन बच्चों को तो कॉलेज से निकाल लिया गया, लेकिन जो रोल नंबर मैनिपुलेशन जिसने किया उस सुधीर सिंह भदौरिया के खिलाफ आज तक पीएमटी 2008 से लेकर 11 में एफआईआर क्यों नहीं दर्ज की गई? कौन बचा रहा है उसको? कौन कौन केंद्रीय मंत्री हैं जो सुधीर सिंह भदौरिया को बचा रहे हैं?
आंसर.
So Arnav has already answered the question, sir. Arnav has already
answered the question. You answer him.
Saying that the judiciary is also complicit.
You answer him.
that judiciary.
You
also
answer him,
complicit in all
Sambit
this.
Patra.
That
There is a
means
person
when
called
the
Mr.
Supreme Court
Bhadoria.
and
Now
High
that's a
Court were
terrible habit.
satisfied with all the investigation, saying that the Supreme Court judge and the High Court judge were complicit in all this. I am absolutely appalled. I am absolutely taken aback. To say that. To say that judiciary is complicit in all this is absolutely appalling.
His brother is a powerful person in BJP.
It is a well-established fact that Anand Rai has said. One second, just a minute. It is a well-established fact that Anand Rai has said. Sambit, do not try to do this. First of all, you are on the news hour. Second point, an attempt to sabotage the program by speaking over everything else. Your whole tactic has become very transparent now. Do not do this. Sambit, do not do this. Sambit, I'm telling you, do not do this. Do not always speak over everyone else. It is a well-established fact, reported everywhere, that many of the whistleblowers have said that children of politicians, bureaucrats and judiciary and other influential people have got admissions through this process. That is what was said. Now I come back to the very central point. Vivek Tanka, either the BJP proves tonight that the whistleblowers are lying or the BJP takes action. I request, let's come back to the very basic point here. There are whistleblowers who are saying there is an attempt to kill us. 45 people have died. One person is dying every day, Vivek Tanka. This appears to be the most dangerous episode that has ever occurred in independent India. Someone very powerful, it appears to me, Vivek Tanka, is killing people one after the other. And someone is very scared, Vivek, that the truth is going to come out, so they're trying to kill as many people as possible, as quickly as possible, so that the truth doesn't come out. Mr. Tanka.
Yeah, Arnab, let me tell you, I actually love my state. I'm from Madhya Pradesh, though settled in Delhi now. And the reason I'm fighting this battle is for the generation which has lost out everything in our state. Now, I know the condition of these whistleblowers. They have been going from court to court seeking protection. It's not that they're telling you on the program. We have moved applications for Prashant in Delhi High Court. Anand has moved applications for protection in Indore before High Court. Ashish went to Gwalior High Court. Every time he gets beaten, he informs the court. He's even told the court, sir, that if you don't protect me, I will not give evidence. I think 60 or 70 odd guards have been changed because they are doing nothing to protect him. Now tell me, if these boys who've been fighting this system for 3 years, 4 years and 5 years, when none of us were there to fight with them, today we all stand with these boys. Now if we don't believe them, who are we going to believe? I mean, they have put everything at stake. Anand has put his life at stake. Prashant has put his life at stake. Ashish has put his life at stake, and we are ridiculing these boys. What are we happening? What is happening to this country? I mean, I'm ashamed to say that what I'm hearing is appalling. You ask people of Madhya Pradesh, they'll tell you what is the truth. And you see, now, even our union minister says she's scared. STF is scared. And the kind of admissions that have taken place in the last 5-6 years, you've destroyed a full generation. At 30,000-40,000 teachers have come in. I don't know by what process, what are they going to teach? Patwaris have come in thousands. What sort of records they're going to prepare? It's not a party affair now anymore, Arnab. It's the collapse of a state.
It's the collapse of an institution.
And that is why we are in Supreme Court.
It's a collapse of an institution,
and that is
which is why I want the whistleblowers to speak tonight. मैं पूछना चाहता हूं आशीष और आनंद जो दोनों हैं आज प्रोग्राम पर, आशीष चतुर्वेदी एंड आनंद राय, आप जरा आज खुलकर कहें, स्पीक आउट ओपनली. और पहले मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं, आपको कुछ नहीं होगा, कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता है आपके साथ. अब ये नेशनल इशू बन चुका है
आज.
Nobody can touch you now, but Anand Rai, you tell me. It's a national issue today. Anand, you tell me first.
GVL Narasimha Rao.
जी, go ahead.
जी.
नहीं कहिए.
GVL Narasimha Rao ने CNN IBN के एक डिबेट में मुझे धमकी दी कि तुम गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय हो और यदि तुम गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट बोलोगे तो तुमको फायर कर दिया जाएगा, तुमको नौकरी से निकाल दिया जाएगा, सिविल सर्विस कंडक्ट रूल्स का वायलेशन है। मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, और मुझसे बोलते हैं कि तुम गवर्नमेंट जॉब छोड़ क्यों नहीं देते हो। मैं उनसे पूछना चाहता हूं कि क्या मैं गलत हूं, मैं किस बात के लिए अपनी कुर्सी छोड़ूं, और आपका मुख्यमंत्री जो पूरी तरीके से इसमें इन्वॉल्व है वो कुर्सी नहीं छोड़ रहे हैं। आप मुझसे कुर्सी छोड़ने की मांग कर रहे हैं। मेरी पत्नी को 3 दिन पहले ट्रांसफर कर दिया जाता है, 2 साल का उसका बच्चा, उसको लेकर वो 60 किलोमीटर दूर जाके रहे। सुरक्षा के लिए मुझे हाईकोर्ट जाना पड़ता है, और हाईकोर्ट में आपकी सरकार बोलती है कि आनंद राय का व्यापम से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। और हर वक्त जब जब हाईकोर्ट में मेरी हियरिंग हुई, आपकी सरकार ने मेरी सुरक्षा का विरोध किया। आप खुद जानते हैं कि जगदीश सागर का मोबाइल नंबर पुलिस को मैंने दिया, जिसकी टावर लोकेशन से उसको अरेस्ट किया। 15,000 रुपए का इनाम था उसको पकड़ने पे, आपकी सरकार वो भी खा गई। उसके बाद पिछले 6 साल से मैं लगा हूं, विधायकों को अप्रोच कर रहा हूं, विधानसभा में क्वेश्चंस उठाए, और 2009 से ये मामला चल रहा है। आपके मुख्यमंत्री चिकित्सा शिक्षा मंत्री का प्रभार में थे, उनके द्वारा आज तक मुझे न तो कोई प्रोत्साहन दिया गया। इसके पहले ड्रग ट्रायल का मामला मैंने उठाया, क्लिनिकल ट्रायल का मामला उठाया, तब भी आपकी सरकार ने मुझे ओवर द नाइट कॉलेज से टर्मिनेट कर दिया। हाईकोर्ट ने मुझे रिस्टेट किया। आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं, किस तरीके से आप विसल ब्लोअर्स के साथ बिहेव कर रहे हैं, आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए।
Apologize, Sambit. Apologize for the way in which you and your party are speaking to whistleblowers, and understand one thing. Understand one thing, Sambit, one second. Understand one thing. There is something more than power. And remember this, you may have the political power. The people's power is with these people now.
Let me answer.
You may have the political power in Madhya Pradesh and in Delhi, but the people's power is with the whistleblowers today. I want Ashish to speak now. Ashish Chaturvedi ji, aap zara bataye aaj aap. अभी आशीष चतुर्वेदी बताएं, आफ्टर दैट
व्यापम घोटाले में जिस तरीके से मध्य प्रदेश सरकार
आप सुनिए आज एंड बाय द वे डू नॉट
व्यापम घोटाले में जिस तरीके से पूरी मध्य प्रदेश सरकार इनके सारे
यस आशीष जी कहिए, आशीष जी कहिए।
व्यापम घोटाले में जिस तरीके से मध्य प्रदेश सरकार, शिवराज सिंह चौहान स्वयं और इनके मंत्रिमंडल के कई सारे लोग शामिल हैं। अगर इनमें ईमानदारी है, इनमें सच्चाई है, तो क्यों नहीं ये डीमेट घोटाले की जांच कराते, क्यों नहीं प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज घोटाले की जांच कराते। सारा दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी सामने आ जाएगा। प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेजेस जो इनको हर साल 10 करोड़ रुपए देते थे, चिकित्सा शिक्षा मंत्री को 10 करोड़ रुपए सीएम हाउस भेजा जाता था, उस मामले की जांच क्यों नहीं कराते हैं?
कोई जवाब नहीं।
You have conveniently not introduced few people who are members of Congress on the panel. Let me start by saying that Mr. Vivek Tankha, who is also a tall Congress leader, not just a lawyer, is on your panel today, and he is also a lawyer. His law firm is also a lawyer to protect some of the people who have been accused, and there are others as well who are Congress supporters. But still, I would say, कोई आप लोगों का बाल बांका मेरे बैठे
संबित पात्रा जी, I am not Congress supporter.
Don't insinuate.
I am not Congress supporter.
Prove tonight. No, 1 second. This is a direct attempt at calling a whistleblower names. This is a direct attempt at calling a whistleblower names. Now that Sambit Patra has said that, Sambit Patra will have to prove. Sambit Patra will have to prove. Sambit Patra will have to prove. I'm sorry, Ajay, I'll deal with this now. Sambit Patra has insulted 2 whistleblowers on Times Now this evening. Sambit Patra has insulted, Sambit Patra has publicly insulted 2 whistleblowers on Newsa this evening. Sambit Patra must prove now, Sambit Patra must prove now which of the whistleblowers is a Congress link. नहीं आप प्रूफ कीजिए। संबित पात्रा has to prove, संबित पात्रा has to prove।
आपको नहीं मालूम जिस तरीके का खतरा हम हमेशा महसूस करते हैं, आप उसे अनुभव नहीं कर सकते। आप सुरक्षा और आप पूरे प्रोटोकॉल के साथ चलने वाले व्यक्ति, आप उस खतरे को महसूस नहीं कर सकते।
Sambit Patra has to prove which of the 2 whistleblowers is a congressman.
Congress leader. Why not?
Sambit Patra has to prove.
Ask Mr. Vivek, is he not a Congress leader? Ask him.
Sambit Patra has to prove. Sambit Patra has to prove which of the 2 whistleblowers is a congressperson.
Dr. Patra, you
ask him more. Sir is over here. Ask him. I tell you, ask Mr. Tankha. Mr. Tankha, are you not a Congress leader? If I have heard him saying that, I would take back my words.
Anyway, we won't get into irrelevant issues. My question tonight is this. My question tonight is this. My question.
No one is getting into irrelevant issues. I am being very relevant
This
here.
is an attempt by Sambit Patra to make this a Congress-BJP debate. Can I just speak to the viewers, please? Just me, please. Viewers, if you are watching this debate right now, what you are seeing is an attempt by Sambit Patra to reduce this to a standard Congress-BJP debate. Sambit Patra likes the usual Congress-BJP debate. He waits for an opportunity to make this a party political issue and then lunges at it and then will speak over others. My limited point is, Mr. Patra, for all your predictable...
Lawyer first, anything else later. Lawyer, but ask if I'm wrong. I'm not wrong. I'm a lawyer first, anything else later.
Okay, so
offer to protect the two whistleblowers.
But deny that you are not a Congress leader. Deny. Deny that. And I'm saying this with respect. There is no harm in being a Congress leader. There is no harm in being a Congress leader.
I'm a lawyer first, Sambit.
No, first of all, I don't. Again, I'm speaking to the viewers. I don't know what Sambit Patra is talking about, and frankly, I don't think even Sambit Patra. Can I please speak to the viewers directly? I don't think. One second. I think this is an attempt. You see, what's happening, Sambit, is that the attempts at sabotage, heckling, and doing all that are becoming predictable. Now the question is this. Here is a person called Vivek Tanka. He's been at a Congress press conference with Jyotiraditya Scindia, Kamal Nath and Digvijay Singh. He's been openly there at a Congress press conference. This is no theory of relativity that you've discussed. So once this is irrelevant. Don't talk about irrelevant things today. Now the question is this.
And he is proud of that. And I have no issues with it.
So what's wrong? That has nothing to do with what we are talking about. Again, Sambit, this is now getting very predictable.
The guys who are dying are Indians.
Yeah, the fact is this. Now, the question...
Who is refusing that? Who is refusing that?
You know, Ajay, will you not respond? Otherwise, we get into usual heckling.
Come out.
Sambit, stop, and Ajay, please.
Mr. Arun Jaitley, the first day said that we want the highest order of investigation to know what the truth is.
I think
Bharatiya Janata Party wants to know what the truth is. And that's the reason as to why we are not shying away from requesting the High Court for a CBI investigation.
1 second. Ashish Chaturvedi ji, 1 minute. Till yesterday, Rajnath Singh said that the government cannot ask the courts to order a CBI investigation. Today, the Madhya Pradesh... Have I asked you anything yet? Sambit, will you stop? Thank you. Today, the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister comes out and says, I will write to the High Court seeking a CBI investigation. Does the BJP believe that it is in their capacity as state government to order a CBI investigation or not? Why has Chauhan asked for a CBI investigation today when yesterday both he and the Home Minister said it is not just outside our ambit, but it is contempt of court? The reason is very simple. The BJP leadership thinks the people of this country are fools. 1 second, please listen to me. Please, Mr. Sambit Patra, the BJP leadership should not think the people of this country are foolish. Please understand.
No, people are not fools.
Mr. Patra?
People understand, and that's the reason as to why you should understand
this is not a...
Mr. Rajnath Singh.
Mr. Patra, this is now very irritating.
There is a difference between Adesh and Anurod. We cannot instruct the apex court, but we can request the court, and that's what we have done. Okay. We have not instructed
Mr. Patra, please, this is not a... 1 second. Ajay, don't respond. Ajay, 1 minute. Ajay, 1 minute. I'll tell you what the BJP is doing. I'll tell you what the BJP is doing. This is what exactly has happened. Today, the Supreme Court has decided that on 9th, which is day after tomorrow in the morning, it will hear a plea on whether or not there should be a CBI investigation, which means the Supreme Court will decide day after morning whether there should be a CBI investigation. The moment the Supreme Court made that public, Shivraj Singh Chauhan and the BJP realized their game is up. The Supreme Court is going to take a decision anyway. So, Mr. Patra, you know, this is very, very irritating with a capital I. No, Mr. Patra, this is very irritating with a capital I, and it's a bad form of debating.
What the Supreme Court would be saying on 9th. 13 petitions, petition after petition,
you will not stop,
were filed by Digvijay Singh and company. But everywhere we were the ones who won.
This is no way to debate. I've never seen any participant on television. I have never seen a single participant on a television debate. No, 1 second, I am placing this on record today. Never has a single participant on a television debate never listened to a single question, never allowed a single co-panelist to complete a point. That is not debate. My question is very simple. and others must be allowed to come in. You see, Mr. Patra, understand, heckling and irritating co-panelists is not debate. The point is very simple, that it is not a coincidence that less than 36 hours before the Supreme Court is to decide on whether there should be a CBI probe in the scam or not, Shivraj Singh Chauhan suddenly changes his mind. If Shivraj Singh Chauhan felt that his government would be superseding the judiciary if it ordered a CBI probe 36 hours back, what changed between then and now? It's as transparent as that. Ajay Kumar now, Vivek Tanka, you know, this whole rubbish of Shivraj Singh Chauhan coming and saying, I am for a CBI investigation. I request the High Court to...
Arnab,
Vivek Tanka.
2 years, for 2 years we have been fighting this case. They have been stoutly opposing CBI inquiry. And even today, till yesterday, the Home Minister said they are not going to order a CBI inquiry. What changed after 10:30 today? Because Supreme Court said we are going to hear these petitions on 9th. The moment that happened at 10:30, we must thank Supreme Court, not anybody else. Shivraj ji cannot take credit for this. Give the credit to Supreme Court of India. They are all scared of the courts now. That's all.
We do not want a CBI investigation. That was incorrectly projected by some channels. Mr. Rajnath Singh never said that we do not want a CBI investigation. All he said that we cannot.
Well, but that is what we heard on the channel.
We are for every kind of investigation. Let the court decide. And today, whatever we had thought since 2 days, we wanted CBI investigation, and we had penned it down through our request.
I think this is.
Now let the High Court decide.
Now you know, I'd like to go to the whistleblowers. I'd like to go to the whistleblowers. By the way, Rajnath Singh said the following: the government cannot ask the courts to order a CBI investigation. This is exactly what he says. You do a U-turn today, want to justify it on television, try it on some other channel that doesn't know the facts.
This is what I have been saying, Mr. Goswami.
Now, Mr. Anand Rai and Ashish Chaturvedi. My question tonight is this to Anand Rai and Ashish Chaturvedi, these two young men who have been whistleblowers in this case. मैं पहले ये पूछना चाहूंगा आशीष चतुर्वेदी से, आप ये कहिए, जो सारा देश एक सवाल पूछ रहा है, ये जो लोग मर रहे हैं, इनको कौन मार रहा है? People who are dying, who is killing them? आशीष चतुर्वेदी. और ये क्यों मारे जा रहे हैं? What is the reason?
मैं नहीं कहता कि व्यापम घोटाले से जुड़े जितने भी लोगों की मौत हुई है सभी संदिग्ध हैं, पर व्यापम घोटाले से जुड़े अधिकांश लोगों की मौतें संदिग्ध हैं जिनकी हत्या कराई गई है, क्योंकि उनकी हत्या से आगे केस के अभियोजन में परेशानी आने वाली है, उनको सजा मिलने में समस्या आने वाली है, क्योंकि उनकी लिंक पूरी नहीं होगी। जो भी व्यक्ति सॉल्वर दलाल इसमें मारे गए हैं उनके नाम लगातार सामने आ रहे हैं, उनके नाम सामने आने के बाद जांच आगे नहीं बढ़ रही है, जिसका फायदा निश्चित तौर पर आरोपियों को हो रहा है। इसलिए उन सारी हत्याओं, उन सारी मौतों की जांच कराई जानी है प्रायोजित तौर पर। दूसरी बात, आपने
एक इंटरव्यू में आशीष चतुर्वेदी जी ये भी कहा कि जो टेलीविजन के जो पत्रकार हैं जिनकी मौत हुई, उन्होंने
मैं दूसरी बात उसी को शुरू कर रहा हूँ। मैं दूसरी बात वही शुरू कर रहा हूँ। दूसरी बात, अभी एक वरिष्ठ पत्रकार आज तक के जो आए हुए थे, अक्षय सिंह जी, लगातार 3 दिन मेरे साथ रहे। जिस प्रकार से वो डेथ ट्रायल को इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे थे, इन्वेस्टिगेट करते हुए उनका दूसरे एंगल से कुछ इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू किया उन्होंने, जिसमें व्यापम और डीमेट से जुड़े कई सारे बड़े लोगों को बेनकाब वो करने वाले थे। उन लोगों में मुख्यमंत्री शिवराज सिंह चौहान का भी नाम था। लेकिन उससे पहले इस प्रकार रहस्यमय परिस्थितियों में उनकी मौत हो जाना, उनकी मौत से 2 घंटे पहले तक मेरी बात हुई है, 3 दिन वो मेरे साथ रहे, अचानक से उनकी इस प्रकार मौत हो जाना कहीं ना कहीं संदेह प्रतीत करती है कि इस प्रकार से ऐसे अचानक एक व्यक्ति की मौत कैसे हो सकती है।
So you are saying, Anand Rai, he is saying that the reporter concerned was about to break some important story related to the Vyapam scam,
yes,
with some big names involved. This is what he is saying. Yeah.
अक्षय मौत के एक दिन पहले तक मेरे साथ थे। रात को 12 बजे तक हमने 3 केस स्टडी डिसाइड किया जो सबसे ज्यादा सस्पिशियस मुझे लग रही थी। उसमें पहली नम्रता डामोर की थी, दूसरी डॉक्टर साकिल की थी, तीसरा हमने तय किया था दीपक वर्मा का। तो नम्रता डामोर से की जो पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट वो मैंने उनको दी थी, नम्रता डामोर से रिलेटेड हाईकोर्ट का ऑर्डर मैंने उनको दिया था, और भी कई सारी चीजें प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज से रिलेटेड जो चीजें हैं, जो डीमेट घोटाला है, वो सारी चीजें मैंने उनको दी थी। और उन्होंने कुछ स्टिंग भी करके लाए थे वहां से, ग्वालियर से, ऐसा उन्होंने बताया था। और उन्होंने मुझे बोला था कि मंडे को वो स्टोरी ब्रेक करने वाले हैं, मंडे तक तुम्हें इन्फो किसी और को मत देना। दूसरा मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि मैंने पहले भी चैनल पे बोला है कि प्लांट्स कार्डियक पॉइजन्स होते हैं, कनेर का फल होता है, एकोनाइट होता है जिसको मीठा जहर बोलते हैं, जिसमें कि आप किसी को भी खाने में या पानी में मिलाकर दे सकते हैं, उससे कार्डियक मसल पैरालाइज हो जाती है। जो नरेंद्र तोमर की मौत है उसमें भी सेम टाइप की सिम्टम्स पाए गए। संबित पात्रा जी को मैं बताना चाहूंगा, मैं MBBS DOMS, आई एम नॉट अ ले पर्सन। मैं सिम्टम्स देखकर जिस तरीके से उनके हाथ पैर पूरे अकड़े, मुंह से फ्रॉदिंग हुई और तुरंत मर गए, ये कहीं न कहीं पॉइजनिंग की ओर इशारा करता है। इसीलिए मिश्रा को एम्स भेजने की मांग की गई और मैं ये भी मांग करूंगा कि उसका DNA भी क्रॉस चेक किया जाए। जो मिश्रा एम्स भेजा जा रहा है उसके DNA को अक्षय के परिजन से क्रॉस चेक किया जाए।
कहिए आनंद जी।
और हमारा प्रश्न उठाना हमारा काम है, उसको रूल आउट करिए।
The postmortem report is reserved and here we are declaring the cause of death. Mr. Asim, I am also a doctor. I want to ask you a simple...
Have the courtesy for the other guys to speak.
Let him speak, Sambit. Let him speak. Let him complete.
No,
he is revealing. Sambit, please.
Mr. Anand,
Sambit, he is revealing some very inside details which viewers have a right to know.
No, have the visceral reports come. Mr. Goswami,
Mr. Sambit Patra, the facts that he is revealing are not to do with the visceral report. They are to do with the circumstances of the case.
How does he know the facts?
Because the gentleman was with him till 24 hours before. How are you saying that he's lying? How do you say he's lying? He's a doctor as well.
I'm a doctor, Sambit.
He's a doctor.
I am a doctor as well, but I am not privy to any kind of poisoning. How does he know which poison was given to Mr. Akshay Kumar?
Anand Rai asked the question.
Do you know cardiac poisons? Do you know postmortem appearance? Do you know the signs and symptoms of cardiac poison, which is related with plants?
Anand Rai, can I ask you a question? Do you know one
Yes.
Trikha from your college? I have number of SMSs from all your medical colleagues right now in front of me, and they are saying that you are charged with murder.
Yes.
And a FIR was filed when you were a medical college student.
You just prove me. You just prove me. Unless you कल आप पद छोड़ देना नहीं तो
Sambit Patra,
I have 12 SMSs over here. I have 12 SMSs of your classmates over
Mr.
here.
Patra, my question to you is...
one of the SMSs.
Mr. Patra, my question to you is very simple. Anand, don't respond. My question to you is very simple. Here is a person who is a whistleblower in connection with the Vyapam scam. We are talking about the Vyapam scam. A direct attempt is made right now on the Newshour by the national spokesperson of the BJP to carry out a direct personal attack on an individual. Now, Mr. Patra, whether Anand Rai is a good man, bad man...
Not at all.
No, 1 second.
I was just
my question is, the question... No, Mr. Patra, transparent as crystal tonight to me is one fact. Transparent as crystal to me tonight, and viewers are watching this. If a specific question is being asked, Mr. Patra, again you're resorting to the bad habit of speaking over others.
I would not comment on the cause of death.
Mr. Patra, do not personally try to vilify a whistleblower. It is transparent what you are doing. You have been doing it in private. Do not do it in public.
I just asked him a question, just as he asked a question to me.
Mr. Patra,
Sambit Patra, just prove that I murdered someone, I'll resign from my post. Then आपकी सरकार ने मुझे सरकारी नौकरी में रखा कैसे है यदि मैं murderer हूँ तो?
This is what to prove. I just asked.
No, Sambit Patra has called a whistleblower a murderer on national television. Sambit Patra, you have called a whistleblower a murderer on national television. You say tonight. I ask you tonight, Sambit. In accordance with the decency of a public debate, in accordance with the rules of decency. No, 1 second. No, 1 second. I'm extending the debate. Vivek Tanka is also upset. I request 1 second, gentlemen. I will now moderate this very clearly. Vivek, the BJP spokesperson.
The Supreme Court judgment.
No, 1 second. The BJP spokesperson.
How did your BJP government give him a job?
PC Arnab, a whistleblower is protected by Supreme Court judgments.
I just asked him a question. Am I not entitled to ask the question? Did I say that he has done anything wrong? I just asked him a person's name who was a classmate and read out the SMS to him.
Whistleblowers
I mean, what are we heading for? What are their values? Which sort of society are they wanting to project?
You see, so Vivek,
what do they want?
Vivek Tankha.
Mr. Vivek Tankha, the whole of Congress can come together, but yet the truth will not bend, remember. Whole of Congress can come together.
Why are you
sitting in disguise over here? You are a Congress leader sitting in disguise over here is not going to help the cause, remember.
Ashish Chaturvedi.
We are open politicians. You are fighting a political battle, not a battle for truth.
Anand Rai is an RSS.
Okay, one second. Rakesh Sinha. One second, gentlemen. Stop on it. Rakesh Sinha.
When I've exposed that you are Congress leader, you are active.
Mr. One second. Just wait. Anand Rai, just a minute.
Hello.
No, just a minute. Everyone pull back. Everyone, something very serious has happened on the debate. I was about to close the debate. I'm extending it. Anand Rai, and this is Anand Rai. I'm just saying something to the viewers now. It has been insinuated that BJP has been trying to threaten whistleblowers, call them names, and the BJP denied. 5 minutes back, the national spokesperson of the BJP has called a whistleblower a murderer on my show. I do not associate myself with these comments, but I request Sambit Patra. In the norms of the decency of the debate, either Sambit Patra proves, either he proves that Ajay, either he proves tonight,
whether there was an FIR,
either he proves his charge,
nothing wrong.
Either he proves his charge.
There is no harm in asking whether there was an FIR or not.
No, one second. Either the BJP spokesperson proves, that there is a substance behind his charge, or he apologizes.
No one can touch them.
Either you prove or you apologize. Prove or apologize, Sambit
I don't have to
Patra.
prove anything.
If you don't have to prove, you can't call a person a murderer, even insinuate anything to that extent. Anand Rai, respond please. On national television, an attempt is made to threaten a whistleblower. Yes, please. Anand Rai.
सुनिए मेरी बात.
Anand Rai has the right to speak. Quietly, Sambit.
मेरी बात सुनिए. पूरी भाजपा की सरकार को मैं चैलेंज देता हूं, यदि उन्होंने मुझे मर्डरर साबित कर दिया तो आप खुद बताइए कि मैं पिछले 5 साल से गवर्नमेंट जॉब में कैसे हूं? क्या मेरा पुलिस वेरिफिकेशन नहीं किया गया? क्या मैं लोक सेवा आयोग से चयनित नहीं हूं? और मैं आपको चैलेंज करता हूं समेत, यदि आपने ये साबित नहीं किया, आई विल सू यू, आई विल नॉट स्पेयर यू.
पॉइजन देके मारा
आप साबित करिए.
सवाल वैसे ही है. आप
मेरे को जो एलिगेशन लगाए तो साबित करिए. आई विल नॉट स्पेयर यू समेत.
कि कार्डियक पॉइजन गया है. अब आप क्यों
Sambit Patra, no. I repeat tonight, the national spokesperson of the BJP either proves that Anand Rai was involved in a murder or he apologizes. I am very clear about it. You can't just throw allegations and say I got an SMS from someone. Anand Rai, please speak. Anand Rai, आप कहिए आप क्या कह रहे थे Sambit Patra को? Anand Rai, what were you saying to Sambit Patra?
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार को मैं चैलेंज करता हूं, मुझे साबित कर दें कि मैं मर्डरर हूं, मेरे ऊपर कोई मर्डर के चार्जेस रहे, कभी साबित कर दें, और उनका कोर्ट में क्या हश्र हुआ, क्या केसेस रहे. 1-2 छोटे मोटे लड़ाई झगड़ों के मामले थे जो कि मेरे स्टूडेंट लाइफ के 12 साल पहले के थे. उन चीजों को यदि आप मर्डर बोलते हैं, यू आर ए लायर. और पूरी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार को चैलेंज करता हूं, यदि आज आपने ये साबित नहीं किया तो कल से आपके मुख्यमंत्री को, जिसने आपको प्रवक्ता बनाया, he should resign from your post. और मैं चैलेंज करता हूं पूरी लोक सेवा आयोग को, जिसने मुझे जॉब पे रखा, जिसने मुझे लॉब पे रखा, और इस तरीके की चीजें आपने
आपने कहा ना आपको कोर्ट ने बरी कर दिया, आपके ऊपर FIR थी. ठीक उसी प्रकार आप क्यों कह रहे हैं कि कार्डियक पॉइजन देके अक्षय कुमार को मार दिया गया?
बताइए,
कोर्ट ने नहीं लिया है.
बताइए,
क्या आपको इंतजार नहीं करना चाहिए था? क्या आपको इंतजार नहीं करना चाहिए था जब तक वर्डिक्ट नहीं आता है? आपने डिक्लेयर कर दिया कि कार्डियक पॉइजन दिया गया है.
Sambit is asking you a question. Sambit is asking you. Sambit, prove it. He's asking you a question. Sambit, you are speaking non-stop because you don't want to answer the question. Answer. Anand Rai asked the question to Sambit. Anand Rai, आप पूछिए अगर whistleblowers को इस तरह से धमकाया जाएगा, इस तरह से बात की जाएगी नेशनल टेलीविजन के प्रोग्राम पर और मैं ये कह रहा हूँ आज, I am saying this tonight, that if this is what happens, ask tonight one question. If this is the way you threaten and call names and you insinuate things against whistleblowers on national television, just imagine what happens to them when the cameras are not switched on. Just imagine. Vivek Tanka, that's what scares me. A whistleblower, there's an insinuation made by a national spokesperson of the BJP that the person is involved in a murder.
Mr. Goswami,
And that happens on national television. I imagine what happens when the cameras are switched on.
Please don't twist my words as threat.
Vivek Tanka, please.
I'm from Madhya
Vivek Tanka, please. Vivek
It was
Tanka.
not proved. It has not been proved.
Vivek
as
Tanka.
yet. Similarly, remember, if there are
Vivek
FIRs which are not
Samvid is not from
proved,
Madhya
that does
Pradesh.
not
I
mean
belong
you
to
are
Madhya
guilty.
Pradesh.
A point
I know
has
the
been
credentials
established.
of these whistleblowers. You see the kind of respect they enjoy, the admiration they enjoy of the common man. I mean, they are fighting the battle of a common man. And Anand, forget, they've been calling him a Congress ploy or whatever. Fact is, Anand is an old RSS hat.
Leader.
He belongs to the BJP and RSS family. He was never a Congress family. But for him, country is first. He's fighting the battle for the people, for the country.
No,
he's not
but
bothered
for you,
about
the
political
country is not
parties.
first, sir.
You ask
For
Anand,
the whole
whether
lot
he's from the
of
Congress or
the country
BJP.
is not first. They want resignation after resignation.
But you ask Anand first. You ask Anand whether he belongs to the Congress or BJP.
You see, this is what happens.
You ask Anand whether he belongs to the Congress or BJP.
Ashish Chaturvedi.
You cannot gang up and say
Ashish
that you are the truth.
Ashish
The truth would be truth.
आशीष चतुर्वेदी, आज मेरे प्रोग्राम पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रवक्ता ने ये कहा, ये हिंट किया, आपने भी देखा, हमने भी देखा, all the viewers have seen this tonight, that Sambit Patra said, I have SMSs which prove that you had murder charges against you. This is exactly what he said. In other words, Sambit Patra tried to insinuate, 1 second please, tried to defame a whistleblower on national television. You tried to defame a whistleblower on national television. Now my question is, please, if you have defamed, be ready for defamation. If you have defamed, be ready for defamation, Mr. Patra. I tell you tonight, you have made this attempt. You have made this attempt.
मैं चाहूंगा वे उसके प्रमाण सार्वजनिक करें.
Yes, Ashish Chaturvedi to Sambit Patra. सुनिए दूसरों की बात.
FIR सार्वजनिक करें.
प्रूफ कीजिए संबित पात्रा.
मैं चाहूंगा संबित पात्रा जी मैं चाहूंगा संबित पात्रा जी सारे प्रमाण सार्वजनिक करें, मीडिया में लाएं.
Please, I asked, let me. I asked Anand Rai, do you know the following classmate? He said yes. I asked him, was there any kind of FIR of such kind? He said, ask him, what did he say? He had fought in the court.
पर आप ये सारे प्रमाण, सारी जानकारियां सार्वजनिक क्यों नहीं करते हैं? सरकार आपकी है, अब सारी जानकारियां इकट्ठी कर.
Verdict. You don't have a court verdict as far as Akshay Kumar's death is concerned, but you say that he was murdered by cardiac poison. How can, as a doctor, you say that? How can you say that he was murdered when the post-mortem is yet reserved?
I can predict. Why I can't predict? I can predict to signs and symptoms.
No, you cannot predict on science and systems, sir. There is law of this land. We are
Why I can't predict? मेरा बंदा, मेरा दोस्त मर गया, मैं predict नहीं करूँगा.
You cannot predict, sir. You cannot
परिस्थिति में उसकी मौत हो गई. मैं
This is what you all have been doing.
अरे वाह, सारी सरकार भी आप चला लो और हमारी जवान पे भी आप बैठ जाओ.
You cannot predict and say that these are murders. I'm sorry. I'm not.
Your game is over, Samit. Just prove it that I am a murderer. Unless I will sue you, I will not spare you.
No, my game is not over. Your game is over when you say that you can predict.
Your game is over, Samit. You are a liar.
मैं संबित पात्रा जी से पूछना चाहूंगा कि वो बता दें कि अक्षय सिंह जी की मौत से फायदा किसको हुआ है?
I'm asking a simple question tonight. Many viewers very agitated.
फायदा किसको हुआ, नुकसान किसको हुआ, इश्यू नहीं होता है. कानून अपना काम करेगी सर.
नुकसान तो हमें हुआ
कि उसको मार दिया गया. मैं हाथ जोड़ के कहता हूँ ये गलत बात है.
Ajay, 1 second. A second time and a last time tonight.
Why?
Ajay Kumar.
It's a shame that a national spokesperson is now threatening these whistleblowers. No, national spokesperson is not threatening Mr. Bose. What will happen to them when they go back?
Who is threatening? Mind you, Mr. Ajay
You are saying that. What are you
You just did.
बांका नहीं कर सकता है is not a threat, it is a comfort. आप लोगों का बाल बांका नहीं कर सकता है is not a threat, it is a comfort. It is a comfort extended by us that no one can touch you. No one can touch you. This is what we have said. No one has threatened them.
The citizens. You threaten us.
If no, if
You
what's
can threaten
Don't
me,
dare you
can
say
threaten
that,
Congress
Mr.
Party. Don't dare to
Mr.
threaten
Ajay
common
Kumar,
citizen.
don't dare say that. If you
Don't
don't
threaten
understand what
common
I
citizen,
said,
Dr.
don't
Patra.
dare say that.
I'm
We
saying
have
that. You
said
can threaten
no
us, but
one
don't
can
dare to
touch
threaten
you.
common
कोई
citizen.
आपका बाल बांका नहीं कर सकता है. Now that the
how do
Congress is
you
exposed
malign
today,
people's
this is the
reputation?
way you are
Prove it.
rattled.
अब तक हमारे साथ जो वारदातें हुई उनमें क्यों नहीं आपने कोई
now
सुरक्षा उपलब्ध
one second, Ashish and Ajay and Sambit. You know, Sambit, each time that you wag that finger at the screen, you're wagging your finger at the viewers. So be careful. A. Second, each time you say don't dare.
I'm sorry for that.
Okay, thank you. I've mentioned it to you before. Thank you for your apology. Thank you for your apology. Second point is, each time that you say don't dare, you're actually daring people. Now, what I want to tell you very clearly is this, and you will need to listen. You are a national spokesperson of a ruling party. You have come on Newshour today and openly made an open attempt at defaming a person who is a whistleblower in a scam for which he should be given a national award. On the contrary, instead of complimenting him, you have tried to drag him into a murder case and insinuated that he has been involved in a murder. You have been unable to prove your charge beyond saying that you got 12 SMSs. 1 second, that you got 12 SMSs. I'll pull the tape back. I'll pull the tape back. You said it. Now,
I just said that is it true that there was an FIR?
In other words, I'll tell you, viewers, I'll tell you, Sambit,
he came out.
Sambit, viewers have seen this today. Viewers, I want you to, if you're watching this, I want you to think about this. Viewers,
we cannot predict and say people
as I close this, I want to, what you have just seen on television today is what I call is an open attempt at political intimidation. I also place on record today that if this happens on television, you can imagine what happens when the cameras are switched off. But to Sambit Patra, to Shivraj Singh Chauhan and to everyone else, try and cover up as much as you want. I don't know whose game is up, but this is now wide open. The dirt will be pulled out, the truth will be reported, whistleblowers will be protected, the court will step in. I am confident about it. The cover-up is over. The game is up for those who are involved in this scam. Never after this, not even once, never threaten a whistleblower on national television. Don't insinuate a person is a murderer till you know your facts. And if you have done so, then have the decency to apologize. One last time, Sambit Patra. One last time, Sambit Patra. One last time, Sambit Patra. I request you to apologize as the anchor of this program. As the anchor of this program, I request you to apologize. Just them. As the anchor of the Newshour program to which I invited you, I regret what you have said. 1 second. Sambit, you don't listen. You know, that's your problem. I request, you're a spokesperson for a national party. As the anchor of the Newshour, I am requesting the BJP spokesperson to apologize on national television to Dr. Anand Rai for dragging his name in the context of a murder without being able to back it with proof. One last time, I request you, Dr. Sambit Patra, you can apologize to Anand Rai.
I am entitled to ask a question to Mr. Anand Rai, which he has answered, which I asked him. I always maintained that nothing was proved in the court of law, though. Similarly, without this murder of Mr. Akshay Kumar being proved in the court of law,
he's not apologizing.
As a doctor, Mr. Anand
Okay, fine, I gave you a chance.
He was murdered by cardiac poison. He should not pass comments as
no apology.
He was murdered by cardiac poison. This is absolutely
Okay, I did not get an apology. Viewers can judge whether that apology was required or not. Whistleblowers don't lie. They've opened up the scam. I thank you all for joining me on a debate on what is without doubt the biggest scandal and scam in independent India. Thank you very much. Thank you.